What up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's the day, man. The truck's going to the shop, getting tuned, or getting ready to be tuned. It's supposed to be getting tuned on Monday. Today is actually Thursday. The shop wanted the truck there a little early so they can do a pre-inspection before the dyno. I'm sure they'll find something that I missed or have to do something, but I'm no expert. I'm excited. I'm nervous at the same time. I just hope everything goes well. But yeah, man, the truck's getting towed there. Yep. So tow trucks just got here. So let's watch them get the thing loaded up. You're a dick if you have to make your tow truck driver put wood down. It is what it is, man. The hitch will be coming off eventually. I still use it to tow my jet ski. Yeah, until I get another truck to daily drive. That's the plan, but truck's headed to the shop. Got the old ones out. I got the new FIC 1000s in. Let's get it now. Let's plug everything back in. Today is Monday. Yeah, we got the truck towed here last Friday. They wanted to do a pre-dyno inspection, get the truck all checked out prior to putting it on the dyno. Yeah, man, I'm literally nervous. I'm excited at the same time, so let's just go on and get into it. The truck's on the rollers right now. I guess he's doing trying to get the drivability all right before he does any major pulls. But if you guys don't know what shop I'm at Morse Performance. They're based out of Gainesville, Virginia. They specialize in Evos. They do just about anything. They got a good tuner named Chris. He tunes anything, really good tuner. He's got a 1,000 horsepower Evo. I'm pretty sure his CTSV is a 1,000 horsepower too also. And he's got a couple other built race cars that he has. But you can see they got GTRs, Evos for days, STIs, Hondas. They do just about anything, you know. So Alrighty guys, so as you can see, I just picked up the truck from Morse Performance. I want to say a big thanks to Chris, the tuner there, and More Performance for helping me out with my build. We found a few problems. Not only that, we got it dialed in pretty much as tune on speed density. I want to don't mind the belt, guys. I'm planning on changing the alternator. I'm pretty sure the noise is coming from the alternator. And then also I got a new belt that I'll be throwing on too, so don't mind the noise. Truck's running great though. All right guys, as you can see, we made it back to my storage unit. The truck drives amazing. I have no complaints at all. As you see, we made 526, 524 torque. We probably would have made mid fives without that bad boost leak at this G Plus Dorado body. If you guys are running the G Plus Dorado body, I recommend either boost leak checking, or honestly just get rid of it. Like I am, I'm gonna get rid of it, chuck it, do whatever you can just so you don't run into the same situation that I ran. The truck probably would have made mid fives without that boost leak. More, they wired up the IAT sensor and got it all wired up for me. The truck is tuned on speed density. But other than that, I mean, the truck drives amazing. Prior to putting it on the dyno, I told him I wanted mid fives, and you know, he came through with that. He did his job. Now I got to do my job and fix the boost leak. Yeah, I have no complaints with the tune at all. Obviously, it's got more potential in it. We do plan on going back and getting it tuned on E85 within the next month or so. You guys just gotta stay tuned and look out for that. Overall, guys, I'm happy with it. There's no complaints. I still got to put big brakes on this thing, which I do got coming, and then also got a set of wheels coming for this thing too. So guys, stay tuned for that. So guys, with that being said, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Honestly, there's still more content to come. We still got a lot more to do to this thing, and hopefully we can get it to the next couple car meets, or even do us, you know, a couple runs in Mexico. So with that being said, guys, peace.